To determine how many rows of flooring you'll need, divide your measurement by the width of one of your planks. Try to install the vinyl parallel to the longest wall in the room. This will minimize the need for cutting in the long run. You'll start by measuring the width of the room, that is, the measurement that runs perpendicular to how you want your planks aligned. You need to allow a gap for your flooring to expand, so subtract 1/2 to 3/4 of an inch from your measurement. For most rooms, this won't divide evenly, so you need to do a bit more math to find out how narrow your last row should be. You can figure out the width of your last row by calculating the width of all the other rows and subtracting that from the initial room measurement. To do that, take the number of rows you calculated a minute ago and round it down so it's a whole number. Multiply that number by the width of a single plank and you'll get the width of the area highlighted on your screen. Subtract that number from the measurement you took of the room and you'll get the width of your last row. If your last row is going to be less than half the width of one vinyl plank, you might want to trim from both sides of the room. To get the right measurements for this process, just add the width of your last row to the width of a full plank and divide that number by 2. That will give you the width for both your first and last row, which will keep your floor looking even.